Hello again, YouTube. I didn't mention in my last video about who I actually went to. The surgeon was Dr. Ferraro, who's in Paramus, New Jersey, and he was an absolute wonderful doctor. Very, very happy with him and how, he just babied me all the way through, had me come in like every 2 days afterwards because he wanted to take care of, the wounds and rebandaging everything himself, so I really didn't have to do anything. The drains came out within the first the last one came out like 10 days. It was about 10 days post-op. But I was really, really happy, and I wanted to, I'm going to put up some a few before pictures and some photos that I took during the post-op period. From, when I got home, or like I said, I stayed with my parents. Thank God they were available to help me. But I'm going to go ahead and post some pictures that I had taken so you can see kind of what I went through, what things look like then, and then maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll post some pictures now after, about 16, 17 days. So I'll go ahead and do that so you can kind of get an idea of what's going on here. I did a lot of talking, but I haven't shown very much at all, which I kind of wasn't comfortable doing at first, but I see how everybody else does, and it's done to help other people. So if I can help other people and, make people feel more comfortable with the procedure and what they're doing, it really helped me to be able to look and go on YouTube and see other people's experiences and how, they handled everything afterwards, because that's the scary part, what happens when you wake up. But it really wasn't so bad. I do have a video that my surgeon put together for me that he took during the surgery. And it just kind of shows what he had taken off, eliminated, and a little bit talking about the procedure as he was doing it. It's not really that gory. He had an editor put it together for me, but it does show some specifics and who he is. So I'm thinking about putting that on. If people are interested in seeing that, it's just a 2-minute video. Let me know. Subscribe below and like the video. And if you have any comments, leave them. Questions. Again, it's Dr. Ferraro. And if anybody's in the northern New Jersey area, highly recommend him. Absolutely wonderful. The whole process from consultation all the way to the end. Really, really good guy. So if anybody has any questions about anything after you see the pictures or whatever it is, leave them and I will respond very shortly. Okay, well that's all. And the other thing I was thinking that a lot of people question was medication for pain afterwards. In my situation, was on another non-addictive medication for some lower back problems that I have. And I had to come off of that medication and get onto a opioid analgesic, which is what they prescribe when they do a procedure like this. So I did take them for, I don't know, let's say 12 days. And once that I ran out, that was it. Just went right back on my regular medicine and been doing better and better. So I hope that you guys will enjoy seeing the pictures and give you a better idea, and maybe, even compare to what you've already been through. But if you haven't done this yet, just make sure that you are ready mentally and physically. both is really important, because you go through a lot of emotional changes when you are going through the post-op period. And I'm finally just coming out of it, because it's like things are coming together now, and I got my energy back, and pretty soon I can start exercising. I'm actually going to be able to have abs now, since I did have muscle reconstruction. So I'm looking forward to it. Yay. Okay, YouTube, I will update again in next couple days when I have something good to put on there. Bye.